proceed exercise 9.1 and let us see question number 30. We are given a1 equals to a2 equals to 2. The value of a1 and the value of a2 is given to. The value of a1 is 2, the value of a2 is 2, and nth term of the sequence is given by an equals to an minus 1 minus 1, and condition is given that n is greater than 2. N is greater than 2. We have to find the first 5 terms. So the condition n is greater than 2. So the value of n should be taken greater than 2. So for n equals to 3, put the value of n equals to 3 in this expression. So we get a3 equals to a3 minus 1 and minus 1. That is a3 minus 1 means a2 minus 1. And already we have given the value of a2. The value of a2 is given 2. So we put the value of a2 as 2. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So the value of a3 comes to be 1. Now we put n equals to 4. For n equals to 4. In this expression we put n equals to 4. So a4 equals to a4 minus 1 minus 1. That is a3 minus 1. And the value of a3 we have calculated, that is 1. So 1 minus 1, which is 0. So we get the value of a4. a4 equals to 0 and a3 equals to 1. Now for n equals to 5, put n equals to 5 in the sequence. So a5 equals to a5 minus 1 minus 1. a5 minus 1 means a4 minus 1. And the value of a4 we have already calculated, 0. So 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Then for n equals to 5, for n equals to 6, a6 equals to a6 minus 1 minus 1. That is a5 minus 1. And the value of a5 is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. Then put n equals to 7. For n equals to 7, a7 equals to a7 minus 1 minus 1. That is a6 minus 1. And the value of a6 we have calculated minus 2 minus 1. So we get minus 6. So these are the 5 values: a3, a4, a5, a6 and a7. Now the next question, question number 14. The sequence is defined by 1 equals to a1 equals to a2. We have given 1 equals to a1 equals to a2. The value of a1 is 1 and the value of a2 is also 1. And an equals to an equals to an minus 1. An equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. And the condition is n is greater than 2. Then find the value of an plus 1 upon an. Find the value of an plus 1 upon an for n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the value of a1 and a2 is given already, and n is greater than 3. So we start from n equals to 3. n is greater than 2. So in this expression, we put for n equals to 3. Because we have given that n is greater than 2. So greater than 2 means n equals to 3. And in this sequence, we put the value of n equals to 3. So a3 equals to a3 minus 1 plus a3 minus 2. That is a3 equals to a2 plus a1. 3 minus 1 2 and 3 minus 2 1. And the value of a2 is already given 1 and the value of a1 is 1. So we get the value of a3. The value of a3 comes to be 2. Now we find the value of for n equals to 4. For n equals to 4. In the given sequence, we put n equals to 4. So a4 equals to a4 minus 1 plus a4 minus 2. That is a3 plus a2. The value of a3 we have just calculated 2. And the value of a2 is given 1. So we get the value of a4 equals to 3. Now for n equals to 5. Put n equals to 5. So a5 equals to a5 minus 1 plus a5 minus 2. That is a4 plus a3. The value of a4 is 3 and the value of a3 is 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. So we have calculated the value of a1 and a2 was already given, and we calculated a3, a4 and a5. The value of a3, a4 and a5 we calculated. Now we put the value of n equals to 1 in the given expression. So we have given an plus 1 upon an. So for n equals to 1, we get a1 plus 1 upon a1. That is a2 upon a1. Now put the value of a2 and a1. The value of a2 is 1. The value of a1 is also 1. So we get the ratio a2 upon a1 equals to 1. Now for n equals to 2. Here we put the value of n equals to 2. So a2 plus 1 upon a2. That is a3 upon a2. And the value of a3 we have calculated, that is 2. And the value of a2 is already given 1. So we get the result 2. Now for n equals to 3. Here we put n equals to 3. So we get a3 plus 1 upon a2. That is A4 upon A3, and the value of A4 is 3 and A3 is 2. So 3 by 2. Now for n equals to 4, you put the value of n equals to 4. So A4 plus 1 upon A4, that is A5 upon A4. The value of A5 is 5 and the value of A4 is 3. Now for n equals to 5, put the value of n equals to 5. So we get A5 plus 1 upon A5, that is A6 upon A5. And the value of A6, we haven't calculated, so we find the value of A6. So A6 equals to A6 minus 1 plus A6 minus 2, that is A5 plus A4, and the value of A5 is 5 and the value of A4 is 3. So 5 plus 3, 8. So here put the value of A6, that is 8 upon, and the value of A5, 5. So these are the 5 values for n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The value of an plus 1 upon an. Now we start the next exercise, and that is exercise 9.2. So first we know about the series. Sequence we have already studied. Now we know what is meant by the term series. So by adding the terms of a sequence, by adding the terms of a sequence, we obtain series. When the terms of the sequence are added, we get the series. As for example, in the previous examples, when we add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus dash dash 2n minus 1. When we add all the terms of the sequences, then this expression becomes a series. Similarly, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus dash dash 1 upon 2 raised to the power n minus 1. When we add all the terms of the sequences, we get the series. In this chapter, we have to study two types of series. One is arithmetic progression and another is geometric progression. So we know about the Meaning of progression. So the definition of progression is a sequence following a certain pattern. A sequence following a certain pattern. Sequence following a certain pattern is called progression. A sequence following a certain pattern is called progression. We have to study two types of progression. There are two types of progression. Two types of progression which we have to study in this chapter. First is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. And second is geometric progression. Arithmetic progression and geometric progression. In exercise 9.2, we have to study about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is simply in short form is represented by AP. So we discuss about the formulas of AP. We talk about arithmetic progression. A series in which the difference between two consecutive terms remains constant is called arithmetic progression. A series in which the difference between a series in which the difference between the two consecutive terms remains constant is called arithmetic progression. Is called arithmetic progression. This is the definition about arithmetic progression, a series in which the difference between two consecutive terms, a series in which the difference between two consecutive terms remains constant is called arithmetic progression. As for example, arithmetic progression is represented by a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, dash dash, a plus n minus 1d. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus n minus 1D. where A is the first term and D is the common difference. Common difference means the difference between two consecutive terms is called common difference. When we subtract A from A plus D, A plus D minus A, we get D. A plus 2D minus A plus D, we get again 2D. So common difference remains constant. And the nth term of the AP is given by An equals to A plus N minus 1 into. This is the formula for nth term of an A. Nth term of an A is given by An equals to A plus N minus 1D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference, and N is the total number of terms. So this is the formula for finding the indicated terms. Now we talk about sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of an A. The formula for this is sum is represented by Sn. Sn equals to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into. This is the formula for finding the sum of n terms of an AP. Sn equals to n by 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1D. This formula can also be written n by 2. 2A can be written as A plus A and plus n minus 1D. So n by 2 A plus, this is the formula for nth term. So this is also written as An. An is the last term, nth term is the last term. Somewhere the last term is also represented by L. A plus N. L means An. L means An, last term of an A. So for finding the sum, we use two formulas. Sn equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. And another formula which we used, if we have given the last term and the first term and number of terms, then we use the formula for finding the sum. Sn equals to n by 2, A plus An or A plus L, where L is the last term. Where n is the last term of an A. Now the first question of exercise 9.2. Find the sum of odd integers. Find the sum of odd integers. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. From 1 2 2001. We have to find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. So let us see how to do. We have given the odd integers. It started from 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, dash dash. Last term is 2001. And we have to find the sum of all these terms. So the first term is 1. We have given a equals to 1 and we calculate the common difference. Common difference is found by the difference between two consecutive terms. So everywhere the difference between two consecutive terms is 1. 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 9 minus 7, 2, 11 minus 9, 2. So the value of t is 2. The first term a is 1 and the last term an is given 2001 and we have to calculate the sum. So we use the formula Sn equals to n by 2 a plus an. First term plus last term. This was the second formula for finding the sum. But we have to calculate the value of n. N we have not given, the total number of terms. So for finding n, we use the formula an. An equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. An is the last term, which is 2001. And a is the first term, which is 1. n we have to calculate and the value of b is 2. This 1 will go on left side. So 2001 minus 1, we get 2000 equals to 2 into n minus 1. And the value of n minus 1 is 2000 upon 2, which is 1000. And n equals to 1000 plus 1. That is the value of n, 1001. So first we calculate the value of n by using the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. Then we put the value of n. So 1001 upon 2 bracket 1 plus an. The value of an is 2001. So 1001 into 2001 plus 1, that is 2002 upon 2. It gets cancelled by 1001. So 1001 multiplied by 1001. So we multiply these two terms. 1001 multiply by 1001. That is 1002001. 1002001. 1002001. This is the sum of all integers, all odd integers from 1 to 2000 and 1002001.